Hi, welcome back to day 16 of our 28-day challenge. Today we're going to be doing side bends or side stretches. Since it is our spine, we are going to be as gentle as possible, and it's going to be a very limited amount that we're bending to the side. Before we bend to the side, we float the head, which involves increasing the space in between the vertebrae, each vertebrae in the spine, so we grow taller. Create space, allowing the bend. We start the bend with the head to the shoulder and then drop one hand and reach toward the ground. We don't have to touch the ground. We exhale. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. If you wish, inhale. Use the other hand overhead. Exhale. Breathing in. Exhale. Another exhale, double exhale, ha sound. Relieve the tension. Ha. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. A gentle side bend to the right. A gentle growing taller and side bend to the left. Breathing in as we float the head and grow taller. Breathing out as we bend to the side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Ha. Sigh of relief. Be gentle with yourself on this one. You don't want to cause an injury. You don't want to have added recovery time. We don't want to go to 100% of our capacity, only 70%. Thank you for joining me.